Hello and welcome to the course. If you are taking this course right now or you are simply previewing it, you probably want to do one thing and accomplish one thing only, and that thing is to travel. Now, you are definitely in the right place, as in this course, I'm going to be teaching you everything that I have learned from my own traveling experiences, plus a plethora of information, outside information regarding travel, which is really going to help you. So by the end of this course, you're going to have so much information and you're going to be ready and prepared to do your own very first trip or adventure with no worries, no concerns, no stress, no problem. So let me tell you this, anyone can travel. It doesn't matter how wealthy you are, it doesn't matter your appearance, it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter your situation, it doesn't matter where you live, and it does not matter who you live with. If you have a will to travel, if it's something you really want to do, you can accomplish it, and that's what I hope you can do after finishing this course. But still, the one main thing that stops people from traveling is time. It's not money, it's time. And with this course, I try to keep it as short as possible, but there is just so much information, but still you can finish this very quickly, and it's not that much. So the great thing about this course is that even if you have only a minimum of one day to really just keep and only for traveling, then it's still possible. And in this course, I will prove it to you with the information that I give you, and you'll have the confidence to do it as well. So this course is divided into two main parts, and really the first part is a quick video with the second part being the rest of the course. The first part is going to go over the 3 steps that I want you to do beforehand. Now you can do this whenever you want, but I recommend doing it beforehand. And the main purpose of it is to get you to get out of your comfort zone, be comfortable with yourself, and at the end of the 3 steps, you're going to have statistics about yourself that you probably didn't even know about. And it's going to help you very much planning your first trip or maybe your next one. And then the second part of the course is the real big part, is where I go over everything there is to know about traveling. Whether you are a college student or someone a bit older, and then I go over places to stay, things to do, things to eat, what to bring, information about traveling abroad or maybe even traveling domestically, stuff to bring like a camera, and techniques to record everything. But the main part is you're going to learn a lot in this course. You're going to learn how to go do amazing experiences at a very affordable price, and you're just going to have a good time meeting with people and everything. And it's all going to be possible after you finish this and get all the information. So I really hope you take this seriously, and once you do get the information at the end of the course, it's going to be the last step where you're going to combine the statistics from part 1 and the information from part 2 and plan your very own trip with all this new knowledge you now have. So I really hope you enjoyed this course that we're going to start really soon, and I will see you then. Until then, safe travels, and I'll see you then.